One of the biggest fears homeowners have about installing a whole home water filtration system is the shower test. You want clean, pure water, but you definitely don't want to trade it for a weak, trickling shower. So, does filtration ruin your water pressure? The short answer is, it shouldn't. A properly sized and professionally installed system is designed to provide clean water without a noticeable drop in performance. However, there is a little more to the science of flow. Technically, anytime you push water through a filter media to remove contaminants, you create a small amount of resistance. But in a high-quality system, this drop is negligible, usually less than 2 or 3 psi, which is undetectable to the average person. Pressure problems usually happen when a system is undersized. If you buy a small unit meant for a cottage and put it in a 4-bathroom house, the water can't get through the filter fast enough to keep up with multiple showers running at once. The other culprit is maintenance. A filter's job is to trap dirt and debris. If you ignore service intervals and the filter cartridge gets clogged, it acts like a plug in the pipe, drastically reducing your flow rate over time. This is why professional installation matters. We calculate your home's peak flow rate, how much water you use when everything is running, and select a system with a gallon per minute rating that exceeds your needs, ensuring you get both purity and power. You don't have to sacrifice a strong shower for safe water. For expertly sized filtration systems that keep your pressure high and your water clean, trust the team at Black Mountain Plumbing. Visit blackmountainplumbing.com today.